Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Ethereum to MetaMask using ERC-20 detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to your cryptocurrency exchange where your Ethereum is currently held. Log into your account on the exchange. Locate the withdrawal or send section on the platform. Select Ethereum as the asset you want to withdraw. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Open your MetaMask wallet. Click on the MetaMask extension in your browser toolbar. Unlock your MetaMask wallet if it is not already open. On the main page of your MetaMask wallet, find your Ethereum wallet address. Copy your Ethereum wallet address by clicking on it. Return to the cryptocurrency exchange. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the withdrawal address field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Select the network for the transaction. For Ethereum and ERC-20 tokens, make sure to choose the Ethereum network. Review all details of the transaction. Confirm the withdrawal. Complete any additional security checks, if prompted, such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the transaction to be processed. After a short period, check your MetaMask wallet for the incoming Ethereum. Once the transfer is complete, you will see the updated balance in your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.